What's up everyone? Welcome back to Jack Up Your English, of course the channel where we look at everything and anything related to English. Today is Wednesday and you know what that means. It's time again for Phrasal Verb of the Week. Yes, phrasal verbs, you know what? They can be really tricky, but don't worry, here we will take down these phrasal verbs one by one. And our phrasal verb for today is bring up. So there we have it. Our phrasal verb for the week is bring up. And does it ring a bell? Have you heard this phrasal verb before and have you ever used it? And also, do you know that this phrasal verb has 4 different meanings? So let's not waste any time and let's go look at our first meaning. And the first meaning of this phrasal verb is to raise a child, to care for and educate a child until they are grown. Yeah, and let's use an example, and our example is they brought up their children to be respectful. Let's move on to meaning number 2, and the second meaning of this phrasal verb is to mention a topic, to introduce or start talking about a subject. And if we use an example, we can say, why do you always bring up the past? I think that one you all know. I think that's a very popular sentence to use, especially in relationships. So remember that one. Let's move on to meaning number 3. And the third meaning of the phrasal verb bring up is to vomit, to eject food or drink from the stomach through the mouth. So yeah, not a very nice situation, but if we go look at an example, we can say the child brought up his lunch after feeling sick. Yeah. And let's move on to our fourth and final meaning of the phrasal verb bring up, and that is to bring something to attention, to highlight or present something for consideration. And our final example is he brought up the need for more funding. And that wraps it up for this week of phrasal verb bring up with its 4 different meanings. Did you know all of them? Are there some new ones? Well, if there are, I'm very happy for you. And yeah, if you need anything else, just drop a message in the comment. Maybe you want me to cover a different phrasal verb in the next video. I'll be more than happy to do it. So once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.